Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to scan a document on a PDF file on your Xiaomi 14T Pro. So first of all, open up your Google Drive right here. Now find this photo icon and press it. Allow it to scan everything, so press while using the app. And now you're ready to scan your document. So choose between manual and auto capture variant. Choose the one you like. I'll leave it on the auto capture. Now bring your document to your camera. And as we see, one side of it was already scanned. So if you need to scan the other side, simply press this plus icon and scan the other side of it. All right, we've got it scanned. Now we can crop and rotate, apply some filters, clean something, or retake if you want to. However, if you're satisfied with the results, simply press done at the top right corner. You can rename your document. Let's name it Doc1. Choose the format for it, PDF or JPEG, and choose location to save it. You can save it either on your drive or on your computer, shared with you, so on, so on. I'll just leave it on my drive. So press save. And now let's wait until it's gonna be uploaded. All right, we've got our new document uploaded. So to check it, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it's looking good. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.